Mark with STX Solution. Today I'm going to show you some of our really cool new features and some of our existing features you might not know about. Let's get right into it. I'm going to step you through some of our cool features and some of the ones you may or may not know about. Let's get started. So you look at the main grid here, it shows you all the packages you're offering under that system. Systems are defined by you. You can decide to call it distributed AV, security, labor services, whatever it is. If I go up to any of the packages and I click on one, I'll go down here to this one, you see the custom graphics. We build all these graphics for you, keeping it clean, simple, and elegant. Remember, this is a client-facing app. Down here in the bottom right, I have my packages. So I can go up there and add one by just clicking right there, take one away. I can even go negative if I want to take something out of a bigger package. Try to make it simple. If I click on my design view button, that's our floor plans. So when that comes up, you can see this. I can decide to draw my own floor plan using our shapes. I can take a picture of plans laying out on the table. I can import plans from the photo library someone just emailed me, or I can have them stored up on Dropbox or Google Drive and download them from there. You can also see down here I have Google Earth. So if you were to take a Google Earth screenshot, you could use that to lay out cameras, speakers, anything you're doing outdoors. So I'm going to go ahead and draw on a floor plan though. So when I get into a floor plan, it's going to bring it up and it allows me to move the icons around, add them. I can draw, I can add text, everything you want to do on a floor plan, do some quick markup. So if I go down here to icons, everything you see here with a 0 is basically already on the plan. If I add things in like this, they're added. I can grab them that easily, just drag them around, put them where I want them. This is a pretty simple concept. It lets you stay engaged with your client. So now we'll go ahead and get out of this. I can also go over to my camera app, which is right here. I'm going to click on that. Brings up the camera app. Inside of here you can see pictures that I've marked up. We have these great smart shapes that let us import a TV. So you take a picture of someone's house, show them what a TV would look like above their fireplace in their master bedroom. All these great shapes, and they're PNG files, meaning you can add your own. If I go down here and I want to select this one, you can see I was setting up for a security system. I had my door contact, powered door lock, touchscreen, motion sensor, and glass break. I showed my customer how they work, and that's great because this now goes over to the installer who knows what he has to get done. Let me get out of here. If I go up here, you'll see some of our newest features. By the way, that save function is the app constantly prompting you to save. Once you've saved the project, that won't come up again. So if I go up here, we have things like adjustments. We can add to our labor. We can discount equipment either by percentage or a flat rate. We can add comments globally, things for like gate contacts or gate codes, whatever you're doing. So down here we have import from cloud. So if you're working from Dropbox or Google Drive, you can then source files right from there and pull them into the app. You can launch a web meeting, Zoom, go to meeting, whatever you're doing. Make it simple. There's lots of cool features. And if you go down here to the report, which is really what we're doing all this for anyhow, is to get all this information so we can sell somebody. Inside of here I can select a custom cover page. I can show images, I can show floor plans, I can show smart docs. And smart docs are these great documents that now work with Docusign. So if I go up here and I collect report 2, I now have a report that I can push to the Docusign, and that smart doc I just pulled up for a monitoring agreement is right here. So I can go into that, open it up, it automatically populated all this information for me. That's simple. Then I go down here at the very bottom, I can save this, send it up to my digital signature right here, or I can email it or print it, your choice. So these are just a few of our really cool new features. Please reach out to us to hear more about what we're up to.